I feel like I'm slowly but surely becoming a travel vlogger. I'm currently on my October break at school right now, and me and my family weren't planning on going anywhere, but it's the 23rd of October right now, and my parents just booked flights to Bali in 3 days. I'm not prepared for this trip whatsoever because I didn't think we were going anywhere, but you know what? We're gonna make it work because I'm excited. I'm gonna be preparing over the next 3 days, and then we fly out, and we're spending 4 nights there. I've been to Bali before, but it's been a minute since we've been back there, so this should be a good trip. This is gonna sound kind of dumb, but I'm breaking out right now, and I kind of want to clear up my skin before we leave. So I'm gonna do a face mask right now, and hopefully that helps a bit. I'm gonna leave this on while I do a bit of work because I do not want to do work while I'm on vacation. So I'm trying to get my stuff that I need to get done before we leave. I think I'm gonna pluck my eyebrows before I go because they're looking a bit rough. I think that looks a bit better. Okay, I'm ready now. Our flight today leaves at around 5-ish. So I'm gonna pack right now. It's gonna take like 20 minutes because it's only like a 4-day trip. But I wanna get it done with so then I don't have to worry about that before we leave. Let's do it. Let's get it onto the bed. Now let's get the clothes in. Just kidding, we're gonna fold that. I'm supposed to read this for English, so. Ready to go.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars.
Oh my god, we're about to die. No. It is 10:17, and we just made it to the hotel. A+ meal. Alrighty, it's 12 o'clock. I'm out. I will see you guys tomorrow. Here's our view. And then here is our pool. Good morning. It is 9 a.m. We are ready to go. All dressed up already because last night we ordered a floating breakfast, which is something that's quite famous in Bali. So I think they've prepared it and it's downstairs. So we're gonna go and eat that. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars. We could be floating on the way. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space.
I'm surprised we haven't dropped any food in the water yet. Not gonna lie. This is so good. And done. That was one of the best breakfasts I've had in such a long time. We've been to Bali a couple times, but I can 100% tell like this is already gonna be one of our best trips. Now that we've eaten, I think we're gonna go downstairs and we're gonna check out the main pool to see what like the bigger area looks like. Wow. This is so nice. I love life. I think we're gonna chill down here for a little bit. There's more sun, so that means I can tan a little bit more. I don't know if you can even tell on video, but I'm so pale. So hopefully I can get at least a little bit of color. It's so hot, oh my god.
Cause space, 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 space.
gonna go see if they have some food.
But that small portion
Is it possible to get like French fries or something like that?
possible.
Okay, that's perfect. Can we just get 2 then? Yeah, thank you. Yay, I just ordered fries. Okay, it's like 2 o'clock right now. I just got out of the sun. I'm just now realizing I'm like slightly burned, so I'm definitely gonna be red tonight. Anyway, since Ubud, the part of Bali that we're in, is kind of known for like wellness and stuff like that, I decided to sign up for a spa treatment. I'm doing a coffee scrub in about 5 minutes, so I'm hoping that that's good and relaxing. And we're finished. This is the worst lighting ever, sorry. Okay, I'm back in the room. I finished my scrub. It was so damn nice. My skin is so soft now. Yay! Now I really need to pee. Oh my god, I'm so burnt. This is really just not it. It's 5 o'clock right now and the sun sets at like 6-ish here. So, what they offer at this hotel is sunset yoga. I'm such a fucking basic white bitch. Okay. We dressed. I'm gonna put on a little bit more sunscreen because we don't want the situation to get worse. We're ready. Done. Just finished. It is 6 o'clock, so it lasted an hour. And it was quite relaxing, except there's this one woman, I swear to God. She brought her son, which is like fine. But they were just having a conversation in the back the entire time. I was like, I'm trying to relax, like stop talking. I don't want to complain, but like, oh my God, I was about to punch this woman. I also just like am not flexible, so this was slightly difficult, but we tried it. We put in that effort. Next up, dinner. I'm a little bit overdressed, not gonna lie, but it's okay because we're gonna put sneakers on with this. Look how pretty. Oh my God. I just ate so much food. I'm gonna explode. And we're back. I'm so dead. Oh my God, I'm about to pass out. The food was so good, but I'm so full now. Good morning. It's like 10:30. I need to get out of bed. I felt like absolute shite last night. I don't know why. I just like felt really sick and it was just not good. So I'm not feeling my best today, but I'm still gonna try my best to vlog. Basically, we only booked 2 nights in this hotel, so today we are leaving and going to another one further south. I was considering ending the vlog yesterday and just showing you one day, but I feel like a huge part of going to Bali is like the culture here, and although it is a very nice like beach vacation, relaxing type of place, there's also a lot of temples and things like that that you can visit. So on our drive down to our other hotel, that's kind of what we're looking at. So I figured, why not vlog a little bit of that? I need to pack and take a shower, and then hopefully I still have a little bit of time to chill by the pool before we go. Yay! What song is this? Oh. No, my strap went in the water. Surprise! You want to wave? Or not? We are showered and ready to go. First thing we're doing today is going on a Bali swing. Basically, they have a bunch of these huge swings all around Bali where you swing on top of like rice terraces or valley or anything like that. The view here is super pretty. You can really see like the rice terraces and everything. Wait, I'm kind of scared. Me too.
Feeling like Pluto. You already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly.
Okay, we're in downtown Ubud now. We went to look at a temple, and then now we're trying to find some lunch. The downtown area is actually quite nice. Like, there's a lot of cute little restaurants and stuff, and obviously a lot of like souvenir shops and all. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, we found a place. We just sat down. It's super cute. Like, the atmosphere and everything is really nice. The place is called Hippie Fish. If you want to check it out, I'm excited.
We could be dancing in the stars.
Lunch is done.
We could be floating on away. As long as I'm safe.
We're now just walking around a little marketplace to see if there's like souvenirs or something that we can get.
And it don't really matter where we stay. 'Cause space makes me sad.
It's been a minute. I started feeling a little bit sick again, so I just like didn't want to film, and then we had a 2-hour car ride to get to our new hotel. So we're here now, but I'm gonna end this vlog off right now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I wanted to take the last 2 days of our trip to just kind of enjoy it and not have to worry about filming everything and all that stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, obviously give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you are not yet subscribed. I love you all to the moon and back, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!